All right, all right, all right. All right, we're going to start this stream. We're going to start this stream exactly like Alex Becker would. We're going to do an Alex Becker on the stream because crypto is pumping, crypto is going crazy, and because crypto is going crazy, we have to do an Alex Becker. So just to state the obvious here, things are pumping, things are doing well. You know what? Wait. We have to do better than Alex Becker. We got to do better than Alex Becker, okay? We got to do better than Alex. We're going to shoot those gains. We're going to get... You know what? This is nothing. This is stupid. I'm going to stop this and go even better here. If you really... All right, I got to fix my hair. All right, so welcome back to the Crypto Factor. Welcome back to your favorite cryptopreneurship show. I don't know what we're doing here. But yeah, crypto is pumping. Everything's pumping. We're doing well. We're going to be talking about a few things. We're going to be talking about a new crypto narrative that is coming that you do not want to miss. And no, Alex Becker did not talk about this. We're going to be talking about it first on this channel, at least to the extent that I will be talking and referring to it as. That didn't just make sense. In other words, there's something that's coming up. Some YouTubers are calling it. Most people are missing the big picture and they're not mentioning certain things about this narrative that's coming in 2025 that you want to be in. As well as we're going to be talking about XRP. It had that massive breakout. What's going with XRP? Am I not bullish on XRP? Am I a traitor to my word, as the XRP army says? Oh my God, you're going back. No, we're not talking about that. We're going to be talking about ADA. We're going to be talking about a bunch of cryptocurrencies, and we will be answering your question in the live stream as we usually do. Now, today's live stream is a little earlier than usual. That's because I have a colonoscopy tomorrow. I was going to do it, but I have to get prepped for it. And I was thinking to myself, you don't want to see me get up and go to the shitter every 5 minutes. So I figured we'll do this a little earlier. Maybe too graphic there, maybe too much information, but that's okay. I like being fully transparent on this channel. Let me just close my phone so we don't get no unexpected calls. And yes, let's see what's going on with the crypto markets right now. And we are seeing Bitcoin right now sitting around $90,000. This might actually break, although it does look powerful. It could break either direction, but we don't care. We don't care because all our attention is on altcoins. We're going to be talking about this in just 1 second. But Bitcoin right now is holding well. And even if it comes down and retests the 84,000 level over here, maybe even 80 psychological, I don't think it's going to go that low. This is actually pretty bullish. And you can see we called this whole move. If you remember, we called this massive cup and handle. We were telling you, begging you to buy over here, telling you to buy here as your last chance, telling you it's going to retest, probably break out, and it did. And now we're just moving up, and this is going to keep on going, guys. This is going to keep on going. You haven't seen nothing yet. This is going to go pretty high. I am looking at $100,000 to $140,000 to take profits. Then if that breaks, we're looking at about $200,000, but we can reevaluate. Probably take profits around the $180,000. But we will reevaluate and look at this when the time comes. I am expecting a dump 40% or so, either before or after Trump takes a seat. Looking at the altcoins here, let's look at the weekly. Things are pumping like crazy. You can see clearly here, XRP 82% up, XLM following with 82%, and there was a massive gap over here. As a matter of fact, if you were in our private group, you would have seen me say, okay, XRP broke out. Let's see if it holds above 72 cents to get into XRP. And then when it went higher, I'm like, get into XLM. So that's basically what we did in the private group. If you don't know what that is, it's in the description down below. Go check it out. It's $49 a month. It is going up to $89 a month, but not for members that are already members of the VIP Factor. So right now, it's $49 a month. It will go up to $89 a month, and then that's it. If you get in now, $49 a month, if not $89. But you have some time. You have till the end of November. Basically, after Black Friday, prices will go up. As more members come in, it takes more of my time. You have to understand there's 24 hours access, almost 24 hours, because I do sleep as a person. But I answer all your questions. We have monthly live streams. We do calls. We do this. We do that. We're a great family. Check it out. See if it's for you. But generally speaking, also on my Twitter here, you see me, I've called out a few things right here. For example, other than the Mike Tyson fight, which I enjoyed, even though I was rooting for Mike Tyson. if you can see right here on November the 15th, bought very small position of XRP today as it's ranging in the 72 cents to $1 mark. We'll be talking about this in just 1 second. So I can watch as well as some ADA and XLM lately. Well, this obviously was before that. All from SOL profits, Solana profits from buying the lows. And the reason I'm showing you this, even though this is an older tweet, I got a stupid comment today. Now, usually I'm very tolerant for comments on YouTube. Okay, maybe I'm not. But this one was particularly dumb. I had someone come in and say that I got wrecked. I all of a sudden I like XRP and all that crap. I never said I didn't like XRP, but I was making fun of the XRP army. And to be quite honest, I particularly don't like XRP, but I'm a trader. I'm a swing trader and investor. If I see an opportunity, I'll take it. And I've been telling you forever, for about 4 years now, how much is it? Ever since I told you to get out of XRP, I told you not to get back in until when? It breaks 72 cents, makes that range from 72 cents to $1. That's your buying, the accumulation zone. And then above $1, you're basically going to potentially retest all-time highs and then break out to a $4 to $7 XRP by the end of the bull market. But I was telling you, that range is the buying range, 72 cents, $1. Oh my God, you're buying higher. You could have got 40, 50 cents. Yeah, and sat on it for the whole of this bull market and the previous one and miss all those Solana gains? I don't think so. I don't think that was a good idea. All those Bitcoin gains? I don't think so. So, as much as you enjoy telling me that I got wrecked for not getting into XRP cheaper, please realize that you got completely wrecked and you don't know what you're talking about. And when I get comments like this, sometimes I'm going to be deleting them because I just get pissed off. I can't fix stupid. So you either understand this or you don't understand this. Buying range, 72 cents to $1. Goes below 72 cents? Get out. If you bought over 72 cents like we did, like I did and my group did, then that's your cue. That's your mental stop loss, if you will. Even if you're not a trader, if you're just an investor. Over $1, you wait for your gains now. Over $1, you didn't get into XRP, just like I did in my group, get into Stellar. Very simple concepts here, okay? So follow me on Twitter because I do have posts like this. You can follow me, it's at MCPaulD, but if you go back a little bit, if you go a little bit lower here, you'll see another post that's actually quite interesting. Let me just find it. So I won't go through all of this because I'm not going to be able to find it, but right here you will see I made a post. Here are some potential US-based cryptocurrencies. This was November 2024. Talking about XRP created by Ripple Labs and a few other cryptocurrencies here that you can go through in your own time and check out. Not all of these are ones I recommend you will buy, but generally the top 4 here at the very least are good buys in my opinion. Why do I say that? Very simple. Because if we go a little bit higher here, and this helps me gather my thoughts as well, so bear with me here. I should have a post saying to you that we are seeing a new crypto trend for 2025 or crypto narrative called the American-made crypto narrative. At least that's what I'm calling it. That's what I'm naming it. I can't think of anything better. That's what I'm calling it. If you think of something better, please let me know. So essentially, Trump said, or his administration said, that there will be 0% capital gain tax for cryptocurrency based in America or made in America. Now, there's a caveat here. It means companies that are American, not if they moved out after or anything like that. At least that's what we know at this point. So American crypto companies, things like Solana, things like XRP, things like Stellar, and so on, Chainlink, I think that's based out of San Francisco. But basically, those will be capital gain tax exempt. This is good for investors, but also for the company. It's actually quite huge, a lot bigger than you think. But that's not all. That's not where it stops. Anybody could predict this. Not many people are talking about it. I'm talking about it, but there are people talking about it. What I want to talk about is the trend stacking aspect of this. So before I go on, let me quickly explain to you what trend stacking is, then we'll go into the questions and I'll answer your questions from the chat. Trend stacking is when you have a trend, a current trend, a strong trend, a secondary trend. You add a trend on top of that, you combine them, you stack them together along with some innovation. That's called trend stacking. That's what the product of Instagram. Instagram is a product of trend stacking. Facebook is a product of trend stacking. YouTube is a product of trend stacking. These are all products of trend stacking. All successful companies, businesses, etc. are products of trend stacking. And what you can do, you can actually foresee narratives using this, just like we predicted AI trend stacking with gaming, for example, or how we predicted mergers on this channel. This is how we did it. Now, here's what you need to pay attention for. Are you ready? The American-made narrative, crypto made in America narrative, whatever we called it, American-made crypto, and trend stacking with one of the current trends we have. What are those current trends? Very simple. Gaming, AI being the biggest, and the Bitcoin narrative. You want to trend stack American-made crypto with trending narratives right now. That's it. That's all you need to do. This could amplify, compound, and make you massive amounts of gains that you can't even fathom right now. Gains that you can go buy Nerf guns and shoot people with on the street. Be like, gains, 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 gains. That's what you can do right now. You can actually do that. You can act stupid. You can act really stupid with those kind of gains. I'm already acting stupid. My nephews came from England, they're 30 years old, and I ambushed them with Nerf guns. Don't ask me why. But anyway, that's what I'm talking about. So, an example. What would an example of an American-made cryptocurrency be trend stacking AI? As an example. Very easy answer. Fetch. ASI. American-based AI narrative, already merging with other companies, already doing hostile takeovers or trying to. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. All you have to do is search for these cryptocurrencies. Now, I will be making a video with a list of these, which ones I personally think are going to do well. Expect that. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss that video. But generally, that's what you want to look for. Get ahead of the herd. Get in before anybody else. Why do you think all these cryptocurrencies are pumping and going crazy? Solana, of course, it's been pumping anyway. Fetch should start pumping soon when people start realizing this, talking about this. I'm pretty sure a lot of influencers are going to start talking about this now that this live stream is out and my video is going to come out. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to say it's their idea. I do know that some people actually watch this channel. I've actually, anyway, I don't want to talk about it. Forget it. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. Sooner or later, people will figure it out. But the thing is that right now, I lost my train of thought. Yeah, you want to get into these cryptocurrencies. So ADA and XRP and Stellar have been pumping. Yes, there is the news of Gary Gensler resigning. Everyone's talking about that. But who's been telling you that they're American-made as well? It's compounding. That's why there's massive moves. It's not typical. It's massive moves. It's not just about Gary Gensler. It's also about American-made narrative. And some people in the know are already getting in. They're not telling you. Obviously, they're not going to tell you. They want to get in. Let me show you my hairy chest. A little less. But yes, you know what I'm saying. This is your chance. This is your... I can't stress it anymore at this point. But yeah, let's have a look at some of your questions. Let's see. We have a lot of questions here. A lot of questions. Let's see what's going on. Let me see. Let me drink a sip of soda water and see what's going on here. Hi, I'm one of the idiots that bought crypto 2 years ago. How are you? I'm doing good. You're not an idiot, Zane. You bought when you bought. You would be an idiot if you didn't buy. You'd be an idiot if you didn't buy, or if you wanted to get in and you didn't. And even then, you know, people change. As long as you realize you're an idiot. You got in, that's fine. Most people don't get in the absolute bottom, whatever. I think you did fine. Congratulations. John T is, hey Paul, sending hi from the Czech Republic. What's up, Czech? I want to go to the Czech so much in Prague. Oh my God. Rocks on market are starting to move slowly. Looking forward to see big gains. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hopefully, man. Hopefully, man. And hopefully I'll visit. I need a crypto event in Czech so I can come visit you guys. Hey, Paul, can ADA reach $10 this bull market? Look, it's possible. It's improbable, but it possibly can. I'm not saying it can or it can't. Or can't or can't. Let's get to the $3, $4 mark and then reevaluate. That's funny. I was watching this on his page. Which one? Watch Anchor. They will soon release Neura. Anchor may actually also be in America. If my memory serves. Let me just see something real quick here. Yes, its headquarters are in California, USA. I'm not sure if I can't remember if I talked about it before in the tweet. Was it in the tweet? Did I mention Anchor? Regardless, it is. So let me have a look here. No, I didn't mention it. But anyway, that is one that you might want to put on your list to watch there. It will pump hard. Let me put it in my watch list because it is an American company. Various. And that's what I like to do, put shit in my watch lists. Right now, 11% up. Let's look at the charts real quick. Curiosity. So you're getting some price action. Oof. Okay, just above support. Yeah, I'd say it's a good buy. As soon as it breaks above 0.032, makes it support, it's an excellent buying opportunity. Your buying range would be from 0.033, let's say, maybe up to 0.035. And you may even be kind of late. Let me see something here. Yeah, over 0. So yeah, actually your buying range would be 0.033 all the way up to 0.042. So make sure you put that in your watch list. Brother, you are doing a great job. I always look forward to insight. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate you, bro. American crypto owned. Yep, that's a good phrase. Hey, Paul, is there problems with Fetch Team and why is AI? Look, Mohammed, you have to be patient sometimes. Sometimes things take a while before people realize and understand the capacity they can get to. And I do believe that Fetch is going to do very well. That said, you always have to have a crypto portfolio just in case it doesn't. So you're holding Fetch, you're seeing it's not moving. If you are in mid-cap AI coins like ChainGPT, maybe other AI coins like, what's some of the other ones? Well, it was PAL before the drama and all that shit happened. But generally speaking, you want to hold in a portfolio. Maybe you want to hold some Tau. Maybe you want to hold some NEAR. I recently bought some NEAR, by the way. So you want to have portfolios just in case a couple won't run, the rest will and will drive your portfolio, and that way you can also take more risk on smaller caps, if that makes sense. When you make your portfolio, think about your main portfolio and your narrative portfolios. So think about your main portfolio, your Solana, your Bitcoin, and so on, and then think about your AI portfolio, gaming portfolio, and so on, and maybe even the meme coin portfolio, and try to make a portfolio, a strategy around that. I have videos on how to do that. You could check them out. Yo, Paul, some thoughts about Mavia. It's not, yeah, it looks not good, not pumping, but it is a good coin and it should pump once once gaming starts pumping. Mavia should be part of that pump. So don't neglect it just yet. I recently got out, but would get back in. Or did I get back in? I can't remember. But generally speaking, again, part of your portfolio, you also want to have your trading sort of portfolios where you trade, which is a different approach to things as well. And I made a video about that, about my biggest mistakes, by the way. You should really watch that video. It's kind of funny, but it's a true story. That's why it's funny. I completely got wrecked, and I want to share my experiences on how I get wrecked. Now, when I say get wrecked, obviously I didn't obviously, yes, I made some mistakes I want to share with you. Obviously, I didn't lose everything, or it's not so dramatic as the thumbnail may suggest. Someone actually said, oh, you got wrecked, you did this and this, you suck, I'm unsubscribing. Yeah, well, good riddance. So this video right here, I messed up big time in crypto. Don't make these mistakes. Make sure you watch this video right here. Generally speaking, what do you think of my new thumbnails? Got new thumbnails, as you can see. I think they look better. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. All right, let's go back to your questions. Some do, Paul. It might take more dollars. Okay, well, great intro. Thank you so much. It was live, baby. I might make more of those, by the way. I don't know what that means, my friend. Something about a fish. Von Naden. I don't know what that means. XRP to 100. Nope. It's not going to go to 100, dude. I'm afraid it's four, maybe $7, possibly 10, but that's a stretch. That's what I'm looking at. But please be my guest. Hold till 100. Get wrecked. But if you want to listen to the Crypto Factor, at least take some profits or your initial investment out at $4 to $7. If you were in where you claimed you were in, or the XRP army out there, $4 to $7 should be a fortune for you, unless you invested like $10, which you'll have enough to buy a couple of shirts and ice creams, which is most of you. Not trying to offend you. But take profits or your initial investment at $4 to $7. Maybe diversify it into Bitcoin so that if the markets go down, Bitcoin usually goes down less, altcoins go down more, and then you can diversify and get a position in altcoins if you haven't done so already, if that makes sense. Eddie G's, yo, you're on early, but I like it. Yeah, man, I might start doing earlier live streams, we'll see. But this time was a bit of a situation where I had to go earlier because I have a colonoscopy tomorrow, and I will be doing my prep later on, and it's the last thing I want to do is having to get up and go to the bathroom every 5 minutes while I'm live streaming. Even though I am going to get up and go pee in just 1 second because I can't help it. I know, I'm sorry, I had soup. It's the prep. So even though I try to avoid number 2, I guess I'll be doing number 1 in just 1 second, so you will have to forgive me. Stop brainwashing me, bro. Paul, you're too smart. You know, probably even hard takes. Awesome, man. Paul, still bullish on Casper. Yes, I'm bullish on Casper. Got back into Miria as soon as I saw the breakout. I actually talked about that. If I remember correctly. Maybe I didn't. I can't remember. But I'm still in Casper, but I did lower my position and got into Solana, which turned out to be a great move. Good morning, Omiro Quivad Sogol. Probably butchered that, man, but good morning, bro. Miria is weird. Gala did 4.4 billion. It's like for Miria, 10x on top if Boomar. Yeah, well, you have to see the gaming run. Look at the chart of PAL AI. There's nothing to look at the chart of PAL AI, dude. Trend stacking AI with gaming is... Yeah, Game Swift is with Fetch. They're trend stacking. That is a play. Game Swift might be a play. PAL, there's nothing to look at. You're holding. If you didn't take profits before the dump, you're destined to hold. At the dead cat bounce, if it was a dead cat bounce, you would get out or lower your position if you're over invested. And then if it keeps on going up, great. If it goes down, that's it. It's done. But I do think that PAL will run again, and I have not touched my position. I'm still holding my PAL position. Got direct on SNS. Yeah, SNS wasn't quite as promising, even though if you had the nodes and you get the SNS tokens for free, you could just take profits as you go up. That's what I actually suggested, not the actual tokens. But hey, it wasn't the best one, at least not so far. Maybe things change. I don't know. I don't like to keep my hopes up for certain cryptocurrencies, but on the brighter note, I did call AGI at 0.03 cents, and I was begging you to get nodes at $1,000 or $1,200. If you did, you made much more back from your initial investment. So you're welcome. What's up, Rene Montenegro? Then people say ASI, mix it with Ajax and be like, so what? I should buy the lithium on Singularity. Not sure what you mean, my friend. I think we are going to be the biggest bull market ever. I think it's going to be up there, man. AIO's network. Yes, get AIO's network. I'm not sure if it's going to go to $10 to $15. I can't remember right now, but my analysis right now. But AIO's should be part of your portfolio. I was begging you to get AIO's for come on, man. It has to be. Peanut. We called Peanut. We actually called Peanut in the group. We called Peanut in the group. Everyone, a lot of us got in. And some of us got into the wrong one because we got in on the one on Ethereum. So yeah, I kind of screwed up with that one. I fumbled that one. But if you watch the video that I mentioned before, this video right here, Wrecked, it actually talks about my Peanut story because I didn't just fumble once. I fumbled quite a few times. So make sure you watch that video if you want to laugh. Audio breaking up, or is it my end? It's probably your end. Or maybe it's a bit too loud. Let me know in the comments if the audio is good, guys. I lowered the intensity just in case if it sounds better now. Georgie Peanut theme. This is a theme now. Persecuted animals. Do your own research. Yeah, do your own research. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about, man. No offense. Paul, maybe Georgie is the badger? I don't know, dude. Paul, you think Doge hits $1? Yes. I think it'll hit $2 to $3. I've been begging you to buy Doge for a while now. I have a Doge prediction that gets into details. If you go right here, there you go. Look, the Doge. Look, you see there's my puppy Doge. That's since I've been getting Doge before I even had my puppy. So yeah. Anyway, I talk about it right here. If you go to the homepage, I was just watching Dog with Hat prediction here. I was trying to see if he was legit. If my boy right here. My boy, I have never even talked to him, but anyway. But yeah, if you go on my page right here, this one right here, right, bam, and that's my puppy again. Let me see. Oh no, it's not showing the puppy. Okay, doesn't matter. Anyway, let's go back to the chat. I understand, Paul, your thesis on XRP, but some of us bought at the top of 2021 and now have to wait. Well, no, you shouldn't have to wait because that's called, well, now it's too late. But if you were listening to me, that was opportunity cost. So even if you bought low, if you bought other coins or got out low, if you got in Solana or any other coin that I was talking about, you would have been up and then you could get back into XRP when the time was right. But it is what it is. You did, you didn't, doesn't really matter. Like this video, by the way. Please hit the like button on this video. I would really appreciate it. If you like guns like Alex Becker, right? If you think I should challenge Alex Becker to a duel, to a shootout, right? Hit the like button down below. Like if you think I should challenge him with my Fortnite Nerf gun here. Or if you want something more piratey. Do you guys prefer the pirate or this one? Which one do you prefer? Blue or red? Blue or red? Okay. And who do you think would win the shootout between me and Alex Becker? As a matter of fact, here, let's make a poll. Wait. This is let me do a poll here. Start a poll. Who would win a Nerf shootout? Alex Becker or the Crypto Factor? Start poll. Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins the poll. Oh man, let's see. Where were we? I lost the chat. Where were we? Here we are. It was on your end. Okay, cool. Hello, Flare is USA made. You could Google this shit, by the way. Either wait for the video to come out or Google. I'm not gonna sit here asking ChatGPT and Googling each coin if it's American made or not, man. I love you guys, I really do, but you have to understand it's a live stream. I have to answer everybody. You know what I mean. Win, bro. Lambo, Ferraris, chicks, laugh out loud. All good, brother. How are you? I'm good, man. I'm doing all good. I'm not gonna get a Lambo or Ferrari, man. I'm an SUV and bike, man. Chicks we already have. Fetch is launching burning system. Interesting. I like that, Shah. Flare, I got the airdrops for holding XRP. Oh, okay, that one. Yeah, I think it is. Brother Paul, XRP $8 soon. I don't know about $8, but it is possible. $4 to $7 is my range, and then we can reevaluate. Bad connection, okay? Hi, Paul. Any chance for SNS Sonorous to lift? We don't know. I can't know that. Again, this is why I go with portfolios. That's why I do AI portfolio, gaming portfolio, new project portfolio, and so on. And that's why I keep emphasizing you have to have a portfolio with a strategy so that if this doesn't work down here, these will make you money and these will make you more. You have to understand. That's why I've been begging for you to understand and watch those videos. Tooth says, huge cult theme on X, huge whales buying it now, 6 or 7 exchange listings in 2 days, top search on Dex. Interesting. Very interesting. What's happening with Fetch? Give it time, man. Give it time. Only one candle in Poland, everyone forgot the recent drama. Yeah, true. My God is screaming at me that Injective is going to pump hard. I think Injective is a good coin. I sometimes I sometimes confuse it with ICP, the one that Jerry Banfield has been getting people completely wrecked for the last 3 years on. So, yeah, I actually think that it could do well. I think Injective could do well. Sorry, I do not own any. I think other coins will do better, but it's there. Marco Franco, $10 super chat. Thank you so much. Thank you much, Paul. You made me a ton in Solana, but I'm slightly overextended in Doge. You're welcome, man. You're very welcome, bro. I love to hear when people make gains like that. And thank you for the super chat. Really appreciate you. Finally, we are on the same page. New narrative. Yes, but don't forget the trend stacking with the previous narratives. Do you profit-taking level for Sui in mind? I have Sui. I'm holding Sui. I'm not looking at amounts or money or price. I'm looking at time. And that's what I talk about in my group as well. Timing when to take profits rather than looking at a specific price unless it makes sense in price, depending which comes first. Can't hear you. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Everyone can hear me. Otherwise, you wouldn't be answering questions, right? Can you people hear me? Yes, people can hear me. If you can't hear me, then I am 100% sure. Did I get you all? Did I get you? Okay, anyway, let's go on. Factor humor. Anchor will launch Neura somewhere in Q4, beginning 25. Okay, we'll look into that. Thanks. Logged out and fixed it. You're very welcome. Are we missing cost opportunity in PAL? You could, opportunity cost in PAL, it depends, because if it's part of your portfolio, no, because it's part of your portfolio. Your AI portfolio is shouting you. If you went all in PAL, then yes. And I told you not to do that. I don't understand why people see something and they get greedy and they go all in, then it pumps and they go even more in, and then it pumps someone, they go even more in, and they take all the other cryptocurrencies and put it in there, and then they completely get wrecked. This is why you have to go with portfolios, have a strategy. That's why I keep on shouting. That's why I keep on insisting, right? That's it. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. The like button. Hit the like button, or I'll pull. No one gives a shit. Okay. Yasu Paul, what's up, Bill S? Dog, go to the moon. We'll rip faces. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Nothing like a live stream without a little bit of shilling. Pirate gun. Okay, cool. Why AI and game coins do not grow quickly like other coins? That's Ivan. That's why. First of all, AI coins do grow like other ones. You're just in the wrong ones. And with gaming, it's narratives. They come and go. Narratives come and go. I keep on explaining this. Have your holding positions. Go into the narratives that are now. Keep those holding, don't chase, and when that goes up, take profits from there, put it back here. I keep on making videos exactly what you should do, exactly which coins you could get into. Look at my portfolio videos. I have AI portfolio videos, gaming portfolio, everything, strategy, perfect strategy, everything, ultimate, everything is on my channel for free. You don't even have to pay for coaching or be in the VIP group. You get this shit for free. I don't understand why you don't do that. If my wife heard you, it would be Alex all day with a shootout, old boy. I don't know, man. Alex might be going to the shooting range and have a gold gun, but I used to be an ex-bodyguard. I actually went to the shooting range as well. But anyway, it depends. We'll see. It would be interesting. He's more fit, though. He's more versatile, so maybe he can do like those somersaults and shit that I can't do. I'll break my neck, snap my back if I tried that. Did you hear about McDonald's Ethereum partnering? I know that McDonald's, I think they're doing NFTs on Ethereum more than likely, yes. I told you, Ethereum will make a comeback. Paul, would you rather get 100,000 within 2-3 months or 16 to 18 million? What would you choose? Yeah. Oh, 16 to 18 months, 1 million. 16 to 18 months, 1 million. Easy. Hey, Paul, what's your thoughts on Murad? I'm not in this. I'm not in it. I have my meme coin portfolio. Again, check my channel. Long term, we've been doing amazingly on that portfolio. You should be in them. Like, if you were in my meme coin portfolio from the get-go, which was last year, we took some profits. But I mean, come on. Excusing Peanut, because I got in, like, and I have the story in the video I told you about. I mean, look at this. Look, like, come on. Really? This is the yearly. This is the monthly. I mean, come on. And we have more that are not listed here, right? Like Bozo Hybrid and so on. So, anyway. Thoughts on Wolf of Ad? I'm not in it, don't know what it is. I keep on hearing it all the time. It sounds like a scam because I keep on hearing it with no context. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Check some new meme coins. Nope, I have my meme coin portfolio. You should check it out. Still early, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Nah. Georgie, don't miss this like you missed Peanut. Oh my God. Are you people shelling? No one trading Ethereum meme coins is too expensive. Ha 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 ha. Just kidding. Yeah, it's true. Should we FOMO into XRP? You should not FOMO into anything, but you should look into establishing a position. I would say that it would make more sense to get into Stellar right now and ADA on a dip rather than XRP. But that said, watching XRP, maybe you want to get in. Let me see something real quick. If you want to get in. It's sitting around $1. No, you could barely get in right now. If it goes down lower, even better. But now would be okay-ish, so to speak. Just don't pump it and like start running after it like a moron, right? One candle in power, yeah. Casper will listed on Kraken on the 19th. Sure, that's great, but that could be a sell the news event as well. Be very, very, very careful. Becker is military trained. Paula is not going to win shootout. Okay. Hi, Paul. Love your show as always. He is military trained, isn't he? But how long has he not been in the military for? Don't know. He would definitely beat me in a fight. I mean, I'm much older. After watching the Mike Tyson fight with Jake Paul, I definitely think Alex Becker would kick my ass. I'm like 48, 3 times fucking cancer. My joints ache and everything. He'd probably beat the shit out of me. He could probably He'll probably win a shootout as well. Down 93% on Q. Yeah, I don't think so, man. I don't know. Just hold. For some reason, the only crypto that came to mind... Yeah, HBAR is a good play, actually. I heard that Trump was pushing for no taxes. Yeah, HBAR is one of those candidates. Do you have an opinion on the length of the bull market now? Yeah, I do, actually. My shorter bull market thesis or probability that was 55-45 balancing out for the top of Bitcoin coming in at end of 2024, beginning 2025, has now shifted to mid-2025 and end 2025. So we might actually have a normal bull market. Let's see what's going on. But generally speaking, that's what I'm looking at. I'm leaning towards that side now. But we will have a massive dump that will look like a bear market and scare a lot of people out. So just keep that in mind. I don't think we have a real bull run. Just the mini alt seasons will continue. I don't think so. We'll see. Anchor will launch, blah. If you keep on... Okay, now I'm starting to worry that this is spam and maybe you should ignore Anchor because everyone's just saying the same thing over and over again. 100,000, and that's a hint, by the way, not to do that if it just doesn't make sense. 100,000 by the end of the year. I think it's possible. When is Ethereum going to take off? Looks dead. Just because I'm bald doesn't mean I have a crystal ball. I don't have a crystal ball, okay? Like, I don't know. We'll look at the breakouts. We usually look at the charts, look at breakouts, and figure it out. But I've been telling you to get into Solana over Ethereum for like ever. When alt season, okay. It's my first time on this channel, and this guy's... Oh, thank you so much, Lag. You really appreciate you, man. You literally responding to the comments. Yeah, all of them. Every single one of them as much as I can, bro. All the American investors that can't invest in most crypto projects, so they are gambling in meme coins because it's not categorized as an... Yeah, true. It's true, but now this going to shift from meme coins to altcoins. We might have an actual alt season, right? Finally. Because before, up to now, yes, that's what was going on with meme coins. So now maybe this starts to shift and it's long due. Did you look into Soon token? No, I have not. Maybe laugh, Paul. What's your thoughts on Chainlink? I think Chainlink is going to do very, very well, or at least should be part of your crypto portfolio. In order, near, fetch, render, please. Not sure what you're saying. What you mean by in order? You mean you like shout them out? Like what do you mean? In order, near, fetch, render, or are you just hoping that? I don't know what you mean, man. You have to be more specific. Do you think that the dump will be correlated with dump taking office? I don't know, but very, very possible around that time. It might play out. Either before or after, so make sure you take profits toward the end of the year beginning, in my opinion, but profits, not exit all positions. You understand what I mean, hopefully. Hi Paul, thoughts on getting out of Sol and into something else? Why get out of a winning trade like Solana? Solana breakout, yep. Sell Sui to buy render? No, maybe buy render with something else or accumulate it and not sell Sui. Is there going to be a huge dump if Bitcoin reaches 100,000? We don't know if it's going to be at 100,000, but 100,000 should be a good rejection point, is a nice round number, so to speak. Bitcoin will top at what price? We don't know. I'm looking at $100,000 to $140,000 by the end of the crypto bull run, this bull market. But again, if it goes over 140 after I take profits, it'll probably go down, come back up. If it goes over, then you could buy in, put a stop loss or mental stop loss right under there and reevaluate for it to go to 180. Bitcoin will top at what price? I just answered. Please make .go 5x. Let me make .go 5x. Shall I draw a dot on my head? Come on, dude. How am I going to do that? Before massive dump, can we see some out? Yes. Peanut or XRP for more gains? Ooh. If you want more stable gains, XRP would be the way to go, even though I don't like it. If you want bigger gains and you are quick on the trigger, so to speak, maybe Peanut is your thing. I don't know. I can't answer that. But what I do want to say is this. Right before I go to the bathroom, and I'll be right back, I want to say this. Please, 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 hit the like button. I don't care what you're doing. You'll be driving down the road, doing 90 on the freeway. That's okay. Just swerve to the side. Fuck the traffic behind you. Just hit that like button. Everything will be all right. Just make sure you're wearing your seatbelt because you want to be responsible if you're slamming on the brakes on the freeway doing 90. If you are cooking right now and your phone is inside, you have your earpods, your phone is inside, and if you leave your cooking, you're going to burn your food just to hit the like button, I suggest you go and you hit the like button. Let the food burn. It's okay. It's okay. It might get burnt, but charcoal's good for you. It's the new narrative now. They put it in everything. They even put it in toothpaste. So let it burn. Go hit the like button. And if you're having sex... If you're having sex right now and you're getting going on, listening to the Crypto Factor, it's okay. Reach over her. Reach around her. Click the like button. Click the like button. It's not weird at all. She'll understand. What are you doing, honey? Just clicking the like button for the Crypto Factor. It's okay. She'll be like, oh, the Crypto Factor, okay. It's fine. It's okay. Hit the like button. But yeah, I'll be right back. Bear with me. Not bear as in bearish. Bear with me. Be right back. Hold your horses. So my dog just came as well. Thea. Sico. This is my puppy Thea, by the way. If you haven't met him, if you're new here, this is my boy. I love him to bits. He likes Dogecoin. All right, so he can beat Alex Becker in a fight. Look, watch. Shall I make the order? See how he's ready? He's a bit scared, but look. Okay. Good boy. All right, anyway. Let's see what we have here. Dude, your dark magic doesn't work. Still 5.4. Damn it! Thought it might work. Like done, thank you very much. Really appreciate you. Thanks, Gary, laughing. Should I buy Toncoin? It could be part of your portfolio, but I think other coins are outperforming right now. Thanks for everything, Paul. Got to get ready for church. Thank you, man. Really appreciate you, Bo. Cracking stream, Paul not watched for a while. Hey man, you should watch live streams, bro. We get down, we get dirty, we go crazy. But yeah, a couple of videos you may have missed. Sorry, my dog's here now. He has priority. So a couple of videos you may have missed. One of them is Star Power. So check this out real quick. If you go to my channel, here. This video right here, where is it? This one right here, look, powered by Solana, new star plug on Solana, right? Watch this video right here. I think these are good Christmas gifts because these actually mine crypto, right? So I bought a whole bunch here, or I got a whole bunch for my friends for this Christmas. Plus, I bought some for myself. See? Fuck. Okay, let me put it back in. So yeah, these are really cool. They're basically plugs. I actually have one over there if you can see it. They're basically plugs. You plug them in the wall and they actually mine star tokens on Solana. There's a phone. There's an X phone or X Forge phone. Got the video for that too. Gonna have a Christmas video coming up soon for gifts and shit like that. So make sure you don't miss that. Let's see what else we have. Dogs are a man's best friend for sure. Yes, they are. Why is S&P crashing? Probably because it went up so fast. Why is it? What do you mean it's crashing? It's a Sunday. What do you want, man? James Mace, whatever. Paul, wanna hear my crazy theory about XRP? Sure, why not? I've heard every single crazy theory there is on XRP. Your dog thought you were trying to rob his doge. Yeah, pretty much. When moon, sir? Probably tonight. You know, every night. Just look up in the sky, you'll see it, bro. How do you mean? What do you mean, when moon? You know that when moon, you know, before it came out, I think I was the first person to say, not when moon, but it was another one. When something. I was making fun of him and then it became a meme. But they didn't attribute it to me, which is a shame. Maybe it was someone else before, I don't know. I will watch after the live stream. Okay, thank you very much, Butterball. Nice name, Butterball. I like that, actually. Should I accumulate more PAL because I already hold 50,000 PAL, and I hold Fetch? I can't answer that easily, but if you're holding different cryptos, why do you want to hold PAL if you have a big position of it and not get into other cryptocurrencies like Solana and Sui? Just saying. What is more upside at this point, Fetch or XRP? I would buy. I'm more bullish on Fetch, and I would buy more Fetch, but just because XRP still has to prove stuff, right? Although they can do very well, I'm more into Fetch, man. I think it can do more and can sustain more. And yes, you could bookmark this, and oh my god, that's fine. Go ahead. For all of you XRP army out there, yeah, I think Fetch will do better, man. Are we going to see a bear market? Eventually, yes. Because institution comes in and everyone's buying the company. Yes, doesn't matter. There's still bear markets. Institutions are in the stock market and so on as well. And they still have bear markets. When the Bitcoin ETF came out, the stupidest things I heard from some fucking influencers as well, with no responsibility, literally. Anyway, they said, oh, no more dumps, not so many dumps because now the institutions are in. We have the ETF and now. What the fuck was that? Like, we've never had dumps and bear markets before with ETFs. And you saw what happened. I was calling for the dumps and we got them. Do you mean when Lambo? I heard Paul tried to merge. Yeah, it tried to merge. They rejected it. Then they pulled the merge and it dumped before that, though. Because of they didn't agree with it. But it should come back up. It's just FUD at this point, right? Or unless people are dumping from the inside. At $3, I'm probably selling all my Caspa. Not sure. Yeah, I think $3 to $5 is good. Maybe even $2. Microsoft voting on December 10th. Bitcoin, what do I think? Let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens. Anyway, thank you very much. I have to end this live stream. I do have prep. I have to go to the doctors tomorrow and do something, as I said before, colonoscopy. I'm doing great, the Gold Eagle. Thank you very much. Please like this button. Would really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, go subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.